was a Friday night, I woke alone, didn't get the feeling right.